Stop doing your affirmations like this. I am never late. I never choose the wrong foods. I am going to be successful. I am going to be on time. You see, these affirmations sound good and sound positive, especially done with enthusiasm. I am going to be on time. Well, the problem is they lack the two P's, presence and positivity. So your affirmations need to be in the present and they need to be positive. So what do I mean by that? Well, I am going to be successful is the state of going to be. Going to be is not now. When you say I'm going to do something, it doesn't mean you are, it means you will. And the state of going to doesn't actually happen. It's like tomorrow never comes. So when you do your affirmations, you don't want to be speaking in the future. You want to be speaking as if the future things were in place now. The second thing is positivity. If you say, I am never something, your subconscious doesn't hear the negative word. It doesn't hear the negative. Your subconscious works on positive. So if you say, I never choose the wrong foods, your subconscious hears, I choose the wrong foods. If you say, I am never late, really with enthusiasm, I am never late, well, your subconscious hears, I am late with enthusiasm. So your affirmations, whilst you might do them religiously, you might do them consistently, if you're doing them the wrong way, then what you'll find is you're actually programming your mindset the opposite way to what you actually intend. So remember the two P's, positivity and present. Follow me for more mindset, mind hacking tips and tricks, and to get some encouragement every day. Take care.